way to Boone Lake here in Johnson City, Tennessee. Let's teleport there. B&C.
What's up, guys?
BassandCoffee, check his channel out. Let's go. Yo, we are here. Just got done backing up. Check out this place. Is this place not beautiful or what? Yep, this place is awesome. Let's get on the water, get out there and catch some fish. Damn. First fish of the day on the drop shot is a mega bass minnow. Let's get this hook out of him. We'll get him back in the water. What a pretty fish. Off he goes. Made a right decision hitting this spot up. Let's get another one. Just a little update. One fish so far on the drop shot on the mega bass minnow. It's been about an hour. I'm gonna fish this little spot over here, this bank on that side. We'll wrap around to the bridge. So let's fish it. Mega bass minnow is on. Let's try to catch this fish on this side. Oh baby, oh, it's a good one. Keep some pressure on him. Oh yeah, nice spot. Come on, stop. Beautiful spotted bass on a drop shot minnow once again. My favorite bait. Works in the fall, works in the summer, all year round. Let's get this bad boy unhooked. Mega bass minnow. That is number 2 on the drop shot on the mega bass minnow. Largemouth on the Ned rig. So unhook them, get them back in the water. Ned rig. Off he goes. B&C. Oh, those are big waves, dude. Holy crap, dude. What's wrong with you? Dang, dude. Dang, look at B&C over there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Check out BassandCoffee's channel. Check it out, B&C. And keep fishing forward. Give this place a thumbs up. Boone Lake. Let's get out of here.